So today I'm going to be showing you how to curl your hair. I got so many requests yesterday. Everybody was asking me how I did the loose waves. Honestly, it was super easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you all know, I have short hair, so I did use extensions. I've got about 7 to 8 wefts right here. This is from Stay Chic. Thank you so much for providing these for me. I'm using these extensions, and then you will also need a comb that's a little bit separated, and then you'll need a brush, and you will also need an alligator clip, and of course you'll need a wand as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Also, if you have short hair and you want to have loose waves, that's a whole other tutorial which I can do another day, but this is specifically for someone who wants to have long loose waves. And if you have long hair already, then you don't need extensions, but if you want to add more volume, then knock yourself out, so you can use the extensions. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Now, just wanted to say that this video is not about how I'm gonna put extensions in. Otherwise, again, that's a whole other video. So today I'm just gonna basically show you just quickly how to do these waves at home. Honestly, it's super easy. It just needs a little bit of practice. I actually did it for the first time, and you know what? It turned out okay. So here goes. Okay, so first thing first, make sure you brush out your hair. And if you have frizziness, you may want to blow dry your hair out, especially the front. You can go ahead and part your hair in the center, or if you like it to the side, you can do it to the side. So I've parted my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, and also I have brushed out my extensions and washed them the night before, so they're nice and clean. And when it comes to extensions, make sure you buy good quality extensions. Make sure they're not like the really super silky ones, because then it's gonna look really fake and it won't look good in their hair. And plus with the loose waves, they'll just kind of flatten out. So I'm gonna go put these in my hair first, and then I'm going to curl them. And there's a reason why you do that. And that's because of the way that I want the curls to kind of turn out, because if I was to go ahead and just curl these first and then put them in, you're not going to get that vintage wave kind of a look. You want that same curl, you know, going in the same direction. So it's important to put the extensions in first in your hair, and then you can go ahead and curl them. Okay, so let's get started. So I've just clipped in my first extensions. Because I have really short hair, it's really important to blend the hair with the extensions as you go. Okay, so I've added all the extensions in my hair, and you want to just go ahead and just lightly brush them out. Make sure the hair starts to blend in. If you've got really short hair like mine and your hair is sticking out, don't worry. Once you curl it, it's gonna all blend in, okay? What you want to do is literally split the hair in half, okay? I don't know if you guys can see the back of my head. But you want to basically just split the hair in half, okay? And what you're going to do, it's very simple, is you're going to just make sections. And I'm going to show you what I mean by sections. So what you're going to do is just take sections like this. So one section here, take another section here, and another section here. It's okay if it's big or small, it doesn't have to be equal, don't worry about it. But just start from the nape of the neck and then kind of work your way out, okay? And my wand is still warming up right now, but I'm just gonna talk. So what you're gonna do is you're going to, when you're on your, so this is my left side and this is my right side, okay? So when I'm on my left side, I turn my wand upside down, and what I'm doing is I'm gonna be rotating it around, okay? So basically going this way. I will explain it to you. You're basically going away from the face. There we go. So you're going away from the face every time. So when you're here, you're gonna go away from the face. When you're on the other side, you're gonna go away from the face. And that's basically what you want to do all the way. And then, okay, so I think this is warmed up. Let's do this. I'm gonna split the hair in half. Oh, sorry, not half, but I'm gonna split the hair in one section like this. Be very, very careful because you're going close to the neck, so please don't burn yourself. And if it makes it easier, keep this section here, keep the other section in the back. Okay, we're gonna start with this one first. So I'm putting the hair here, and then I'm just going around. It's okay if your hair is sticking out, don't worry about it. We want loose waves anyway. And then I'm gonna gently release it and then kind of give it a bit of a squeeze. If it's hot, then just kind of blow on it and then let go. I'm gonna take the other section. Okay, same thing. And then it's not that hot, so it's okay. And then one more section. Now this is the one you want to do a really, really good job because it's what's going to be framing your face. So you can see the curls are kind of starting right under the cheekbone. That's what you want. There we go. So now it looks like it's just blending in. Okay, so we're done one side, we're gonna do the other. Again, same thing. Just gonna show you quickly. And honestly, that didn't even take very long, like 9 minutes. Now we have another 9 minutes to go on the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, put this hair in the back. Now it gets tricky because I'm right-handed, so this is a little bit harder for me. So I'm gonna take my wand, turn it upside down, and then I'm gonna grab my hair and go away from the face. Away from the face. And then just hold it for about 12 seconds. Okay, and just be really careful. Okay, and then you should get a curl that looks like that. And I'm gonna continue doing the rest. Guys, I just wanted to tell you that I have the best mom in the whole world. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. God give her a long life. She is amazing. I had not ate anything all day. I was working and I asked my mom to make me something and she made me noodles because I love Mr. Noodles. And it smells so good. Okay, so all right, I'm done curling my hair. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and brush them out. Don't be afraid of brushing them out. I know I used to get so scared brushing them out like back then, but now I'm not afraid to brush my hair out because it actually looks so much better once it's brushed out. So as you can see, I'm holding from the bottom and I'm just taking this comb. Now you could use a brush, but I just prefer this. It just kind of like separates the curls a lot nicer with this comb. Okay, see how the curls are just kind of matching together? So that's all it is. And you just keep brushing it out to however loose you want it. And if you feel like your extensions are not heavy, that's maybe because you don't have enough extensions, or maybe the quality of your extensions aren't very good, or maybe you just have really short hair with really long extensions like myself. That's why my hair looks like that. So the heaviness is more here as opposed to here, but that's okay because you can always tease it a little bit as well like that to kind of make it blend with the rest of the hair. And if it's not working with the comb, you can do it with the brush as well. Okay, I did it! And you can put hairspray in this to make it last all day. You can put a shine spray, whatever you like, go crazy. But this is how you do it. It was super easy. I hope you found it easy as well. Let me know when you try it at home how you like my tutorial, and if you'd like to see more tutorials. I will try to make an effort to make more videos for you guys.